So you took the plunge and you purchased a sewing machine or embroidery machine, but you have no idea which thread to purchase? Well, please stick around for Shayna's creative advice. Hello creators and welcome back. My name is Shayna and I'm the face behind CrauseCreations.com. On this channel, I'll bring you value with creative tutorials and small business advice. If you're new here, I hope you stick around and please help my channel grow by clicking on that red subscribe button. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my favorite sewing and embroidery threads. So for my sewing machine, I use Aurifil 30 and it comes like this. So for my single needle embroidery machine, I use Isacord 40 weight. It comes in 1000 meters and it comes like this. If you're still here, can you please do me a huge favor and type in the comments, what is your favorite? Are you into sewing? Are you into embroidery? Are you into serging? I'd love to hear from you. For my multi-needle machine, I use Madeira 40 weight. It comes in 5000 meters and it comes like this. For my serger machine, I use Maxi Lock all-purpose. It comes in 3000 yards and it looks like this. So in this video, I shared with you the threads that have been successful for me in my small home business. My goal is to bring value and flavor to the sewing and embroidery community. And I'm sharing this with you because I know that it might be slightly overwhelming if you're new in this space and you go to the sewing store. There's all these different options that are available and I don't want you to waste your money. So again, this is what works for me in my business and I hope that I was able to help you out. And at CrauseCreations.com, we can embroider that. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye!